In this lecture, we're going to learn about tagging notes and searching for tagged notes. Tags allow you to organize and prioritize your notes. They enable you to quickly return to important notes and remind yourself about items you need to take action upon. You can tag anything from a single line to paragraphs of information. Before we begin, I'm going to switch over to my notes page. Let's start by reviewing some of the tags that are available. Tags are found on the Home tab, the Tags group, and we'll start by clicking on the down arrow to see a list of the tags that are available. As you can see, there are quite a few tags that are out there, and you can also customize your tags. We can do anything from creating a to-do list, marking things important, putting questions by things, reminding ourselves of items that need to be taken care of, as well as categorizing various items for projects. From the Tags group, we can also find tags, and we'll go over that shortly. Additionally, you can set up Outlook tasks from your to-do list, and we'll go over that in more detail in a later lecture. But let's go ahead and start with our first example. I've got a list of equipment that's needed for a project, so I want to set it up as a to-do list so that I remember to check off the items as I pull them. So to add a tag to an item, you want to click at the beginning of the line. We'll make sure we're on the Home tab, Tags group, and we'll check the To-Do tag because we want to put a checkbox by it. I want to do the same thing for the rest of the items in the list. Now I can click on each one and do it, or I can highlight the whole list and come up and click the To-Do tag. Once I've got the items marked as a to-do list, I can come in and check the box as I pull the items or as it's completed, so I know those are completed items. Let's come over to our other container. Here I've got a call I need to make, so I want to set it up as a reminder. I'm going to come up to the Tags group, click on the down arrow, and choose Remember for Later. As you can see, this item is different than the To-Do, which put a checkbox by it. This one highlights the item so that it stands out. Come down to the next one. If I wanted to make this a high importance, I'll come out to my list and choose Important. Puts a star next to it. So as you can see as we're going along, it's differentiating each tag so that we can search on them later, and they stand out differently when we're looking at our pages. Come down to our bottom one. This one is Load Client Sample, so this is an idea I had. So I'm going to come up and I'm going to choose Idea for this. So as you can see, they all stand out differently, and now if I wanted to do a search for certain tags, I'll come back up to the Tags group and click Find Tags. Once I click on that, it's going to bring up the Tag Summary Sidebar. I've got various options available for grouping my tags by tag name, section, title, date, and note text. I'm going to leave it with the tag name so I can see exactly what I had tagged. Now below that, I've got a box for Show Only Unchecked Items. This is for my to-do list. So if I check this, it's only going to bring up the to-do list items that haven't been checked. So I'll uncheck this and I can see all of my tags. So if you're just looking for various items that you haven't completed for to-do lists, this is a great option. Check that and it's going to bring them up. Now if we go down further on our list, we've got our search options. Today's notes, this page, this section, this group, and so forth. If I wanted to do all my notebooks to look for all the items that I had tagged, click this option, and you can see it brings them all up. Let's go to this notebook. The bottom item on here, Create Summary Page. This is a great option if you want to review the search results on a page. So if we click this, you'll notice it creates a notes page of my summary items. We'll go back to our tags page. We'll close out of our tag summary. Now once you're done with the tag item, you may want to remove the tag from it so that when you're doing your searches it no longer comes up. So if I've gone out and I've reserved my room, I can remove the importance from this because this has been completed. To remove your tag, click on the item you want to remove the tag from, do a right click, come up to the tag icon and click the down arrow, and come down to the bottom, Remove Tag, and that'll remove your tag. So remember, if you want to tag an item, make sure at the beginning of the line, go to the Home tab, Tags group, and select the tag. Searching for tags is done from the Tags group, Find Tags. Removing a tag, right-click on the line, Go to the Tags icon down arrow and choose Remove Tag.